Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the structure of an atom. So an atom consists of two parts, nuclear region and extranuclear region. Nuclear region consists of two fundamental particles, that is proton and neutron, and extranuclear region consists of one fundamental particle, that is electron. So in the nucleus there are two fundamental particles, that is proton and neutron are present, while outside the nucleus, which is called the extranuclear region, here the electrons are present in this circle. As we know that there are three fundamental particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. Electrons are present outside the nucleus in the circle. These circle are called shell or orbit or energy level. So these circular path on which electrons are revolving continuously, these circle are called shell, orbit or energy level. Similarly, electron carry negative charge and proton carry positive charge, while neutrons are uncharged or no any charge. Now the question is here, how the proton are stay in the nucleus. So the answer is that there are two reasons the nucleus. The first reason is the electrostatic force of attraction between the nucleus and the outside of the electron. That is first reason which hold the proton within the nucleus. That is first is the electrostatic force of attraction between the proton and outside the electron. And second reason which hold the proton within the nucleus, that is the among the proton there are present neutron. So among the proton, neutron are present, which keep away from each other. So by this way the proton can stay within the nucleus when these protons, due to the presence of neutron among the protons. Next question arises in our mind, how electrons can stay outside the nucleus. The second question is that how electron can stay outside the nucleus. The answer is that as we know that electron carry negative charge and proton carry positive charge. So these oppositely charged ions, the electrostatic force of attraction are present. So among the electrons and in the nucleus of among the electrons and proton, electrostatic force of attraction which keeps the electron within the shell. In this way, the electrons can revolve around the nucleus and they do not away outside the atom, or they do not can fall in the nucleus. This electrostatic force of attraction holds these electrons in this shell, which keeps them in this shell, and due to this electrostatic force of attraction, electrons are continuously revolving around the nucleus. That's why electrons do not away outside the atom or do not fall into the nucleus. In the shell or orbit, electrons are present. In this circular path, electrons are revolving continuously, and the distribution or the division of electron in this circle are by this formula, that is 2n square. And by obeying or by following this formula, electrons are distributed in different shells or orbit. That is, for example, we have first orbit, then we write the number of orbit here 1. So the first shell or first orbit contains 2 electrons. Similarly, in the second shell or energy level, we can write here 2 for n. So in the second shell there are 8 electrons following 2n square formula. Similarly, there are also subshell or sub-energy level in the shell. So there are 4 sub-energy level or subshell. And these are S, P, D and F subshell. And in the shell, the subshell are present according to their shell number. For example, if we have first shell, then this first shell have only one subshell, that is S. Similarly, in the second shell, it contains 2 subshell. Second shell contain 2 subshell, that is S and P. Similarly, first shell. Similarly, in the third shell, it contains 3 subshell, that is S, P and D. And finally, in the fourth shell, there are 4 subshell, that is S, P, D and F. And in these subshell, electrons are accommodating. There is S subshell contain 2 electrons, P subshell have maximum of 6 electrons, D subshell have maximum of 10 electrons, and F subshell have maximum of 14 electrons. That's for all today the learner. If you have any query, please do write me in my comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe this video with your friends and families. Thanks for watching.